नमस्कार दोस्तों एंड वेलकम टू एसएम स्मार्ट प्रोफाइल बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस फॉर वेडनेसडे 29th October 2025. फ्रेंड्स, एसएम स्मार्ट प्रोफाइल बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस एक एजुकेशनल वीडियो है जिसमें हम ऑर्डर फ्लो और मार्केट प्रोफाइल को यूज करके मार्केट की डायरेक्शन, एरियाज ऑफ ऑब्जॉर्प्शन, एग्जॉशन ट्रैप्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं एंड मार्केट प्रोफाइल और ऑर्डर फ्लो को कंबाइन करके एक पॉसिबल ट्रेडिंग डिसीजन देखते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, वी वुड लाइक टू टेल यू कि हम सेबी रजिस्टर्ड नहीं हैं और हम ट्रेड एडवाइस किसी टाइप की नहीं देते हैं। आप इस वीडियो को यूज कीजिए ओनली फॉर एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस। नाउ हैविंग सेड दैट, लेट अस सी कि आज मंथली एक्सपायरी थी बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी की। लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंड, मार्केट में क्या हुआ। पर आज का देखने से पहले हम कल का थोड़ा सा रिवीजन कर लेते हैं 27 अक्टूबर का, कि कल के वीडियो में हमने बेसिक पॉइंट्स क्या कहे थे। हमने कहा था मार्केट ओपन हुई वॉल्यूम एरिया के पास, नीचे का एरिया टेस्ट किया हल्का सा एंड इट वेंट स्ट्रेट अप, एक लो वॉल्यूम टेल के साथ ऊपर गई है। ऊपर जाने के बाद हमें कोई खास एक्सटेंशन मिली नहीं है, which meant that there was lack of initiative buying, या फिर sellers did not allow it to come up further. The market again tested, came down and formed a balance somewhere in between, leaving a low volume tail. राइट, हमें कल बायर्स की कन्विक्शन नहीं दिखी थी, लैक ऑफ इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी दिखा था एंड दिस वी हैड वेरी क्लियरली told in the analysis. Now let us see कि आज क्या होता है. Now we have this is a area जो मैंने rectangle mark किया हुआ है. This is a volume area, right? Just you can just mark this area. It is 206 to 152 के करीब, 58 206 to 58 152. But now let us see what happened. Where did the market open? You can see this. Who is the market opening? Let me split this for you. Market opened, tested the lower areas, went up, did not find any initiative, any buyers to further take the market up. The market came down, tested the lower extreme where the yesterday's area where we had the low volume tail. So once this has been tested, this low volume tail now does not remain a low volume tail. Over here it has given us an unfinished business. After testing this business, again the buyers of the profile for 24th again took the market up. No initiative activity, no new buyers, just the short-term buyers kept taking the market up and down. It was a large IEB. This was a very large IEB, gentlemen. Uh, a very large IEB this was. और एक लार्ज आईवी बनेगा तो क्या होगा? रोटेशन होगा. It will rotate, buyers and sellers will both be present in that. Now, let me just put this thing on silent so that it doesn't keep disturbing us. Give me a minute. Yeah. So, now what do we, let me just bring this back to the normal shape. आज का शेप कैसा रहा? हमारा ओपन हुआ विद इन वैल्यू एरिया ऑफ द प्रीवियस डे. इसका मतलब हमारे पास एक बैलेंस डे था. आईबी हमारी लार्ज थी, इसका मतलब दो वे रोटेशन की प्रोबेबिलिटी आई थी. एक हमारे को न्यूट्रल एक्सट्रीम डे बना था. आई टोल्ड यू इन वन ऑफ माय presentations of analysis that what is a neutral day, what is a neutral extreme day. अब ये देखो, दो टीपीओज हमारे पास ऊपर हैं ए प्रिंट के, दो या तीन टीपीओज हमारे पास नीचे हैं ए प्रिंट के. सो एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, दिस इज अ न्यूट्रल एक्सट्रीम डे. एक्सट्रीम डे इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ओपनिंग दो इन द वैल्यू एरिया इज स्टिल ऑन द अपर साइड. बायस मेरा अभी भी पॉजिटिव है. आज के दिन भी मुझे लैक ऑफ इनिशिएटिव बाइंग एक्टिविटी देखी है. मार्केट अब एक बैलेंस में है. दिस इज अ बैलेंस्ड मार्केट and the market has paused. Please understand, the market has paused to decide the next directional move. वैल्यू एरिया क्या हुआ? वैल्यू एरिया हमारा ओवरलैप किया है and slightly lower है. That means there is an acceptance at the upper levels, but lack of initiative, continuation. हमारे पास continuation नहीं आया जाकि हम ये unfinished business को correct करें 585, 590, 600 levels के आसपास. So this was what we have for you today. Now what are the probabilities for tomorrow? अब depend करता है where the market opens. If the market opens out of balance, ऊपर खुलती है या नीचे खुलती है, and उधर हमें buyers या sellers किसी की भी strength नजर आती है या नीचे या ऊपर, we will have to take a trade decision accordingly. uh, and see if it is opens up, does it repair this area, and if it opens here below this, does it repair this area and also the areas here and here. That order flow will tell us very clearly when we study it properly. But my bias is still positive unless and until in the order flow I see something, some sellers, really putting in a lot of pressure and the market going down. For right now, this is a hold. The market balance में है. The market will decide now the next directional move, right? So let us now see the order flow. Order flow में क्या हुआ as far as uh, Bank Nifty is concerned. Let us come to the opening. Where did it open? This is 27th October. No. Oh, 27th. Yeah, there it is. This is it. Now you see. यहाँ मार्केट खुला है, ये कल की क्लोजिंग थी. After opening, it went straight up. This 5-minute candle is not a very good candle, which very clearly tells कि further continuation possibility थोड़ी मुश्किल है. However, I did have an area over here. एक volume area पुराना है इधर. I was thinking that maybe the market should come over here, but no, there was a value area high from which it took a rejection and went down. Now, if you see over here, this was an area of probability. There was, let me bring it. This area, 58 to 48. So 58 to 48 अगर मैं mark करूँ इधर, 58 248. So somewhere, let me give it a rough this one. Let me mark it with a red color. This was a value area high. इसके आसपास हमारा क्या बना था? ये value area high था, बना कुछ खास नहीं, which I can show you. But this was not a good candle. It did not give me confidence that the market will go up till here, right? These things on why it can't go up till here, that also we will discuss in times to come. ये एक low volume candle थी. If you see the bars over here, the volumes are quite low. The VWAP was here. It was important that this value area should break, and so should this area break for a confirmed downward move. The market did break it. It gave a zero volume over here, which we marked, and we got a movement downwards. Since it was a large IB, which I have told you in market profile, ये एक लार्ज, ये तो निफ्टी खुल गया, ये एक लार्ज आईबी थी. A and B period initial balance was large, so that means the market would have both sides rotation. अब both sides rotation दिखाने से पहले मैं quickly आपको कल का एक एरिया मैंने जो मार्क किया था ऑर्डर फ्लो में आपको दिखाता हूँ. This was yesterday's opening candle, and if you remember, I told you ये कैंडल ने कॉन्फिडेंस दिया था कि मार्केट थोड़ी और ऊपर जाएगी, and as long as this area is intact, market will not go down to this level. I said this in yesterday's video. So this area we have marked and kept. Let's see what happened today. right? The market, yes, here it is. The market, when it came down, it just came down over here. And if you see this candle carefully, we got some very strong limit buyers at this place. And when you get these long limit buyers, you also know that the two-way rotation is possible because IB large hai. You also know that this was a support of yesterday's opening candle, which is being tested for the first time. You get 3 confirmations. You know that your yesterday's rotation factor was also positive. You also know that the bias is still positive. Then is there any reason left on why you should not take a small chance over here with a stop loss somewhere around here and take your trade and see how well it holds? So, and you can see where the market went. Anyone who has a little bit understanding of order flow will know where to exit this trade, and it would have given you some really very good, decent points. Now, let us, after having completed this, now let us look at Nifty. Nifty, where a lot of people remain interested. I don't know why, but Bank Nifty gives a lot of momentum, and even if you trade with less number of lots, you get good business. Anyway, we'll also discuss Nifty. Where did Nifty open? Nifty opened in balance within the previous day's value area. Nifty ने ऊपर के extreme check किए, did not find any further initiative activity to make it go up. This poor high was repaired, but this did not get repaired. B period, we saw it coming down. Again एक large high भी था. Again मतलब कि both side का रोटेशन एक्सपेक्टेड था. वैल्यू एरिया आज की डेट में मेरा ड्रॉप हुआ है. रोटेशन फैक्टर मेरा नेगेटिव है. मार्केट शॉर्ट टर्म बैलेंस में है आफ्टर एन अपवर्ड ऑक्शन, right? If the market has to go up and repair this area, I need an out of balance opening with an acceptance outside this value area to go and repair this. And if the market has to go down, then I do need again an out of balance opening, right? Or an imbalance opening with conviction of coming downwards and repairing this area. So that is what is the analysis for tomorrow. If you want to see the order flow for Nifty, you can see, let me show you the last. This area I have marked, 833 to 820. So as long as we are above this, there are chances of going further high, even to this level. These are previously marked areas, but let us see what happens in the opening candle of the day. I think this is it. Yes, 28th October. This is the first candle. Not much of conviction here except that it opened at its previously mentioned support. Market went up. Again, not a good convincing candle. Again, the market tried to go up but then dropped in the POC levels. A lot of positivity over here, but still there was no strength in the bias to take it up. And over here you can see that when the market broke the POC, you got a zero print area and you got the market falling down. This area of course could be retested. I'll just mark it and see कि इसका retest हुआ कि नहीं. And let's see what happens. In the market makes a low. यहाँ पे अच्छी absorption शुरू हो गई है. And after that the market went up. This absorption area can be retested again, right? Retested again, and here it is retested again, this area, and from here it again goes up. So do we retest this area? That will come to know tomorrow. This I'm going to wipe out now, don't require it. This area we will see what happens tomorrow, and this area is also important because until this breaks the market will not go down. Until this breaks the market will not go further higher up. So this was Nifty and Bank Nifty order flow and market profile analysis for you. I have also, made over here the 5 minute charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty, this is Nifty. Here you can, take the screenshots, mark the value areas, and then tomorrow when the market opens, where it opens, how it reacts, how these areas react, you can, of course, study the same. I'll just move it a little down so the upper areas can be also noted, right? And I'll also, move it here so you can note the areas and the supports at the bottom. So I hope you all had a wonderful monthly expiry. Thank you for listening to me with patience. And as I always say, in trading, the mool mantra is define your risks before you define your profits. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow with another analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty using market profile and order flow charts. Thank you very much.